Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make another favorite Cambodian vegetable soup called Somlor Somlork, a shortcut version of Somlor prohae. It is definitely one of my favorite dishes now that I'm older, and it's also much easier to make than Somlor prohae. The signature ingredients for this dish are lemongrass, rhizomes, turmeric, mushrooms, leafy vines, and prahok. I like starting off with some white bamboo thinly sliced and soaked in cold water. I have half a Kabacha. Remove the peel and cut into chunk size. Next, I have rigid gourds, no. Just peel the edges. You don't have to remove all the peels and cut into bite size. Then there are mushrooms. Here I'm using oyster mushrooms. Honestly, I used to hate mushrooms, but growing up now, I do love mushrooms. Then we have some climbing wattles, which we call and it's very thorny. This is fresh ones, and I use scissors to cut off the stems and then peel off the leaves. And for the leafy greens, here I got the leafy greens for, I think it's gourd vines, so I could be wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. And for the main spices and herbs, I have fresh turmerics here. Actually not fresh, they're from frozen, sliced thinly, and then also preserved rhizomes. Here I kind of just smash and then slice it, and lemongrass, about 2 to 3 lemongrass stalks, and you want to kind of put in a knot, tighten a knot tightly. Okay, for the back to the turmeric, garlic, and rhizome, kind of like smash them together, kind of make into a paste. And this is optional, but I have some pork belly. And my final step is the fish. Here I like to pre-cook my fish. This is completely optional. I think most chef cook will not cook the fish first. 2 reasons is that one, fish smell, and then the second, the meat will stay intact and I'm not overcooking the meat with the soup. Alrighty, now for the main pot, I have about 6 to 7 cups of water. Add in the lemongrass and then the rhizome garlic paste. Bring it to a boil and add in the pork belly. That if you're choosing to use pork belly. Add in the sliced bamboo shoots and a tablespoon of prahok, a half tablespoon sugar to taste. Add in the kombucha, lepo, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 to 2 tablespoons fish sauce to taste. Add in the mushrooms and gourds. And here you can just remove the lemongrass. And that's the reason why we tied it in a knot, so you can easily remove it from the pot. And lastly, add in the pre-cooked fish and turn off heat. Add in the leafy vines and give it a good gentle stir. And there you go, Somlor Somlork, and enjoy with some warm cooked rice.